Uh, Next in the line of business letters is the letter of complaint. We have already done with letter of order, letter of inquiry. Now this is letter of complaint. This is written when one wants to complain against some defect in the item purchased. This is also one of the formal letters. So the format is same as that of a formal letter. So everything is written in the same manner. Now the thing is related with the complaint. Now if you will see here, it is complaint. There is difference between complain and complaint. Complaint is noun and complain is verb. So we write a complaint letter when we want to complain against something. Okay. So the format, as I told you, is the same. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation. Now the three paragraphs which will be there. Para 1 is purpose of writing. So in this paragraph, mention details of purchase. That is the product that has been purchased, date of purchase, bill number, etc. Para 2 is details of the complaint. Now mention all the problems stated in the question, add a few more from your side, and then mention how you are affected by the things, the problem over there. Now para 3 is wherein you politely ask for to the dealer mentioning the warranty or the guarantee related to the product, asking for the needful to be done, that can be repairing or replacement. And after that it is subscription. At the end, after subscription, we mention the enclosure. And in enclosure, it can be copy of the bill or copy of the warranty. Now, important points to be kept in mind while drafting a letter of complaint. Mention all the details of purchase. That is the product, model number, or some whatever it is, date of purchase, bill number, etc. Mention all the problems stated in the question and add a few more. Further, you mention how you are affected by that problem which is there in the product. And then politely draw the attention of the dealer towards warranty, etc., and ask for repairing or replacement. Remember, your tone here should be polite. It should not be rude or rough in any way. And then at the end, mention enclosures, which can be copy of bill or copy of warranty, etc. Now the question, you are Ravi Kumar of 26 ABC Colony, Indore. You bought a color television from Messrs. Aman Electronics, main market, Indore, a month ago. Now it has developed certain technical problem. Write a letter to the dealer complaining about it and ask for the needful to be done. Okay, so this is the question, sample question, and now we will be looking at the answer of this sample question. Again, see the address wherein I have mentioned only the address of the 6 ABC Colony, Indore, then the date, then the receiver's address, that is the manager, Messrs. Aman Electronics, main market, Indore. Then we come to the subject line, complaint against new TV set, then the salutation, then the first paragraph, wherein we are mentioning about the product detail, the date of purchase, the bill number, and all that. Then in the second paragraph, we are talking about the problems which are there in the set. Uh, and then what is the effect, how you are affected by that. Then coming to the last paragraph, wherein uh, the attention of the dealer is drawn towards the warranty, and then asking politely for free repairing or replacement, and then the subscription, and after subscription enclosure, that is number one, copy of bill, number two, copy of warranty. So this is all about the uh, letter of complaint that we draft when we have a problem with the product purchase. Whenever there is some defect or some problem that is uh, there in the product and we want to have it changed or replaced or repaired.